The squeegee head is one of the most important parts of your Kaivac system to maintain. Fortunately, it's also one of the easiest to troubleshoot and correct. Watery streaks left behind while vacuuming are probably the most frequent problem encountered and are most often the result of worn squeegee blades, wheels, or both. A properly working set of squeegee blades will have a sharp, crisp edge that allows water to pass through the leading blade's ribs and become trapped by the trailing blade's flat, sharp edge. Worn or wavy squeegee blades allow water to pass directly beneath, much like worn windshield wiper blades, significantly affecting the performance of the squeegee head. Replacing squeegee blades is a very simple process. With the squeegee head removed from the vacuum wand, pull up firmly on the center of the worn squeegee blade until the front edges are freed from the wheel housings and pop the blade out of the squeegee head. To insert the new replacement blade, slide one edge into the slot and under the wheel housing with the ribbed edge of the new squeegee blade facing out. Next, bend the squeegee blade so the back edge can be placed underneath the opposite wheel housing and seat the new squeegee blade in the slot. It's important that the rib side of the squeegee blade faces out. If the wheels on your squeegee head are worn or missing, they should also be replaced. To replace the wheels, remove the screw fastening the wheel housing to the head using a Phillips head screwdriver and pull the wheel housing out of the head. Insert the new wheel housing and tighten the retaining screw. If your squeegee head is equipped with brushes, they can easily be replaced when necessary by removing the 4 screws that secure the brushes to the head. Pull the brush housing off of the head and replace them, ensuring the angle of the brush housing slopes towards the front edge of the squeegee head. If you have a 28-inch wide area squeegee head, the process is similar. Replace the blades by pulling up firmly until the blade comes out of the head, and install the new squeegee blade by sliding one end up and under the wheel housing. Bend the squeegee blade up to seat the other end under the wheel housing and seat the blade firmly in the slot. Remember to keep the ribbed edge of the squeegee blade facing outwards. The 28-inch squeegee head has 3 sets of wheels. The 2 outer wheels are changed in the same way as the 14-inch squeegee head. To change the center wheel, remove all 4 squeegee blades and then remove the 4 screws that hold the wheel bracket in place. Pull the bracket out of the head. Next, remove the screw that mounts the wheel housing to the bracket and pull the housing out. Attach the new wheel housing to the mounting bracket and screw the bracket back into the head. Finally, replace the squeegee blades, making sure the ribbed edge faces out.